Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be taking out my 1-month-old cornrows, and you guys, they're really crusty underneath this bonnet, but I have been wearing my bonnet every single day since we have been quarantined, and yeah, it looks dry, a little matted, but we're going to take care of that and we're not going to lose much hair. So we're just going to get started by taking out the braids. And if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button for me. And once you finish watching this video, go ahead and head over to Instagram and follow me at StarandLeah. And as you guys can see, these cornrows have been in for a while, but I have a lot of curl definition and I'm really proud about that. Even though on the outside it looks like my hair is really crusty, I mean, it looks moisturized a little bit once you take it out. I did take care of my scalp while I had these braids in, so it's not horrible, but I'm just going in and lifting up the dandruff. I have noticed that when I scratch my scalp before washing it, my scalp gets very cleaner, I guess, much cleaner. I am deadening my hair with a little bit of water because it makes the detangling process a little bit easier. And before any wash day or before you apply shampoo to your hair, you do want to go in and detangle to get out all of the dead hair. It just makes the process easier and it avoids all of the matting that comes sometimes. And that is the amount of shedding that I got from just that section. And then you tuck it away and repeat the process over and over. Another reason that I like to detangle is because I am scratching dandruff off my scalp, and I like to bring as much as the dandruff and also the product buildup out of my hair as possible because it also makes the shampoo process easier. Sometimes you want to break the sections up and scratch the dandruff a little bit more because look here, you will be surprised as to what you will find, and that is like a bunch of dandruff in one spot. I hope you all enjoyed the video. If you haven't already, go ahead and thumbs up the video and subscribe to my channel. And I'm just going to finish this video off video off with doing a little length check. I recently cut all of my hair off, so I'm so proud about my little length, you guys. I got a little taste of hair now. So that's it for this video. See you all in my next one.